The PQPro is a leading-edge power quality analyzer with 4 voltage and 4 current channels capable of continuous waveform recording at 1,024 samples per channel. It's self-powered and charges the internal battery from the recorded line. In the event of a power outage, the instrument will continue to operate for more than 4 hours. The PQPro is the ideal instrument for most installations, including solar, wind, aviation, and standard 50-60 Hz power systems. Just a few clicks, a PQPro survey is processed using our trademark PV2 software to generate simple or advanced reports. The PQPro interfaces directly to our meter base adapters and can be used with our stray voltage interface for monitoring tingle voltages on farms. The PQPro meter installation verification package is used by utilities for cross-phase analysis. With the optional GPS module, timestamps will have microsecond resolution, which permits the monitoring of synchrophasers. Designed to last, we offer a total care 5-year service agreement that includes annual calibration. Candura.com. Rugged, reliable, weatherproof.